Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use SoFi Relay to track your spending. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the of course App Store, whichever you have, and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom tab, we have the Discover, we have the Watch List, we have the Account, Invest, we also have the Orders, and in the bottom right corner, we have the Social. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use SoFi Relay to track your spending. So using SoFi Relay to track spending is straightforward, and if you haven't already, first of all, download the app and go to the, of course, create your account, then connect to your bank. So credit card, investment, and loan accounts to SoFi Relay. This allows this app to pull in your financial data securely. Then navigate to the main menu where we are at the moment, as you can see, and then select the spending tracking section. So go to the spending. So when you're here on the account or anything, go to the spending when you of course go and connect your bank account, which I didn't do at the moment because my bank account is not working for some odd reason. Then select the spending tracking section. As I said, here you can view your spending month to month, see upcoming expenses, and get breakdown by spending categories. Create budgets for different spending categories. This helps you monitor and control your spending more efficiently. Regularly, of course, check the dashboard to see how much you spent, identify patterns, and find ways to save. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty good if you could do this. So guys, that will be everything. Bye guys.